Hello guys, welcome to my podcast. And today we were going to talk about something relevant. Yeah, it's e-money in use in this era. And today I'm with my friends.
Gabriel,
And yeah, he's a coffee shop owner, right?
yes.
Okay. How's the cafe doing these days? Still packed with people pretending they're working, but actually just watching Netflix.
Oh my god, man. There's so many people who come to my cafe and, like they're open laptop and then they just scrolling TikTok or they're watching a Netflix. Oh my god. But as long as they order something, I'm good.
That's the life, bro. But anyway, I think your place is so cozy, man. I think I enjoy with your place.
Thanks, man. Yeah, we try to keep the room is chill and yeah, we changed the setting last month and we service the air refrigerator to keep them cold and yeah, that's
Oh yeah, I love your place. Maybe if I come to your place, I will sat enjoy for 10 hours maybe.
oh my god, that's such a taking. Oh my god, that's so many hours and yeah, but oh my god, I love it because you're will enjoy my place and yeah, and you try to sit on my cafe and ordering my food or drinks. That was
Yeah,
helping me, man. Thank you.
I like hot coffee, you know. Yeah, iced coffee. But anyway, I think your place is good. Every time I pass by in your place, like many customers come from your place.
Thanks. And then there are the students who come there for like 5 hours, charging all their devices, doing assignment, and doing a lot of homework in my cafe. Oh my god, there's many students come to my cafe.
Cafe economy at its finest. But anyway, speaking of five, let's talk about how people pay in your cafe. Because I noticed nobody uses cash anymore.
Oh my god, yes, that's the point. Almost every single customer pays with e-money like Curies or yeah, many application and feels like ancient history.
For real. Every time I use the money, I forgot. When the last time I didn't use pay my
Mm,
cash?
yeah, I know. Same. And for the cafe, it's super helpful and like no need to handle change, no waiting. Everything's fast because the e-money will help me to, yeah, and when there's cashback, I don't feel so hard to choose the right.
Oh, totally. I literally choose where to eat based on which apps give the best promo. Priorities, man.
Yeah, exactly. E-money isn't just a payment method anymore. It's a lifestyle. Everyone use it.
Fact. Even the way we talk has changed, just QR me. That's normal now.
Yeah, simple and fast, honestly.
One tap too many, and suddenly your balance is crying.
Yep, it's the lifestyle of the digital era.
Alright, guys, that's for today episode. And thanks to my friends Jibril, and thanks for coming, man.
Okay, thank you for having me too, viewers.
And thanks to everyone listening. Tell us how money has changed your life too. Write down in the comment section. Bye.